In 1963, the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray didn't just arrive, it stunned the automotive world. With its sculpted lines, split-window fastback roof, and racing-born DNA, it was the perfect blend of beauty and performance. When new, the 1963 Corvette sold for around $4,100, a figure that reflected craftsmanship far beyond ordinary sports cars of its era.
Let's see how this
Today,
V8 is
a
holding
well-restored
up.
split-window
The valve
Corvette can
covers look
command
good,
well
no
over
leaks.
$200,000 at auction, with rare examples,
have a look under
fetching
here.
upwards of $300,000, numbers that testify not just to rarity, but to the emotional value these machines hold for collectors. For decades, some of these icons were cherished, others were forgotten, left in barns, sitting in backyards, fading under dust and time. This particular 1963 Corvette Stingray arrived in our workshop half lost to time, paint old, chrome clouded, interior leather cracked, and the legendary V8 silenced by years of neglect. When Antonio Ricci steps into the bay, he approaches the Corvette with reverence. This isn't just repair, it's resurrection. The split window, unique to 1963, immediately tells a story of design bravery. Every curve, every contour, every gap between panels holds a legacy. Restoration begins with inspection. The fiberglass body reveals microfractures at the lower sills. The engine bay is coated in decades of residue. Beneath it all sits Chevrolet's small block V8, once a symphony of mechanical precision. The work ahead is multiple phases: stripping, repairing, mechanical rebuilds, paintwork, polishing, interior renewal. Then final assembly. Stripping reveals issues unseen: fragile edges near the headlights, rust creeping into metal mounting points. Weather trim, panels removed, parts labeled meticulously. Antonio and his team treat these components as artifacts, each nut and bolt cataloged, cleaned and preserved. Mechanical rebuilds follow, connections greased to life, carburetors cleaned with surgical precision.
Let's see how this
Pistons
V8
measured
is
in
holding up.
The very essence
valve
of
covers
engine
look good,
DNA
no
is
leaks.
restored, not replaced. Dot in the paint booth. British Racing Green returns, but it's not simply reapplied, it's recreated with modern techniques that honor the original factory finish. Multiple coats build depth, followed by polishing that makes reflections move like liquid. Chrome, once cloudy, becomes mirror. Bumpers gleam against tungsten and daylight mix. Interior seats are restitched to pattern. Dashboard gauges recalibrated to original.
The original British
and
Racing Green
lastly,
paint has
until
seen better
optical
days.
clarity
The
returns.
glass is dirty,
Then
but the
comes
structure
moment
is
of
solid.
truth. Fuel flows. Ignition engages. At first, a hesitant calm, then a small block V8 roars. Not angrily, confidently. Patience rewarded under sunlight just outside the garage doors. The Stingray's paint glints. Sharp edges, deep curves, and that split window silhouette make it unmistakable. This car is not just restored, it has a life again. From a $4,200 machine in 1963 to a six-figure collector centerpiece today, the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray captures not just automotive excellence but passion, memory, and enduring beauty.